Hello everyone, I hope you're safe, happy and well. Here's an idea I thought I would share with you that you can easily do at home, especially in this beautiful sunny weather. So here goes. Why don't you have a go at designing a miniature garden? There are lots of things you can put in your own miniature garden. Here are some more ideas. Why not put a nice shady place for Bruce? Time to design. What can you use? You can use anything. You could use soil, some pebbles, any craft materials, any boxes, yogurt pots, lolly sticks, and then you just need an old tray, maybe a foil tray, an old plant pot, anything. But please make sure you ask the adults at home if it's okay to use things. Let's get designing. You might want to design it first on a piece of paper. Good luck, and I hope you have fun. Bye for now. Keep safe.